What if I told you there's a hot hatch that blends power, precision, and modern technology into one thrilling package? Meet the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R, the ultimate performance hatchback designed to push limits and dominate the road. The Golf R commands attention with its aggressive yet refined design. A revised front fascia, sleek LED headlights, and a bold rear diffuser give it a sporty and aerodynamic look. It rides on lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring maximum grip and control. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a driver-focused cockpit packed with premium materials and cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Golf R features bolstered sport seats with Napa leather upholstery, a heated steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting to enhance the driving experience. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a new 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Volkswagen's latest MIB4 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive interface. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data, while the available Harman Kardon premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio. Under the hood, the Golf R is powered by an updated 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing an impressive 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, the Golf R can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Golf R is equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, front assist with automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Starting at around $47,000, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R offers an unbeatable combination of power, technology, and practicality. Higher trims and optional performance packages unlock even more capability, making this hot hatch the perfect choice for driving enthusiasts who demand more. There you have it, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R, a performance machine built for thrill seekers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.